also don't know what is inside. Let's open and see together what is inside the box. Okay, come on. Let's start opening this big box. See the box over there. Wow, look at this big box. Okay, let's see what is inside. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, the receipt again. Bill. And I have a trash. Okay friends, that's all. I need my papa's help to fix all these. Then I catch you soon. Okay friends, I'm back. Look at my site. This is called Neewer LED Light. You want to see the magic? Ta-da! So bright. Wow. Can I see? Now I'm going to see up. Even brighter. Okay. Now let's put the big low down. So we press the letter down. Can you see it's a bit low? If I put up, it's increase. If I put down, it will low. So now you know how to operate. Okay friends, we also have different filters. I am going to pick one color and try. You want to see? what happened. Okay, come. See the difference. Which is the difference? Want to see? Wow! See, red color become red, white is white. Can you see? Oh, wait a minute, it's too bright. Let me put down. Okay. Now can you see a difference? Which is the difference? Red or white? The red is the difference. Let me put one more filter here and let's see. So, red and blue. Let's see what happens. Okay friends, now I'm going to on. Wow, this is blue, this is red. So which is nice? Blue is same as the water. Red is same as the card. Red card. Okay friends, catch you later. See you in next video. If you like this video, please click like and share. If you want more videos, subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.